Let us find out how to display two windows at a time. In Windows 7, we can display two applications windows side by side. Open Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint programs one by one. The PowerPoint window is active at present. Now right-click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Click on Show Window Side by Side option from the shortcut menu. Both the application windows will be displayed side by side. Students, make sure only two windows are open at a time. If more than two windows are open in the background, Windows will open all of them side by side. Students, let us find out how to explore Pictures folder. In Pictures folder, we can store digital photos, images, and graphic files. To open this folder, click on Start button and then select the Pictures option from the right pane. The Pictures folder will open. By default, the pictures are displayed as thumbnails in the Pictures library. You will find various buttons like Organize, Share With, Slideshow, Burn and New Folder on the bar above the thumbnails. We can also view our pictures as icons of various sizes in the Pictures folder or any folder customized as a Pictures folder. To do so, click the drop-down arrow located next to the Change Your View button on the bar above thumbnails. Select any picture and double-click on it to preview. We get various buttons at the bottom of the picture, which helps us in managing picture view. For example, viewing next or previous image, clockwise or anti-clockwise rotation, magnification or reduction of image. We can also use Play Slideshow option to run pictures on an automated mode. Okay students, note that using calculator option in accessories, we can perform simple and complex arithmetic calculations on the computer. Disk cleanup. If you want to remove some unnecessary files from your hard disk to free up disk space and to help your computer run faster, use Disk Cleanup feature. It removes the temporary, internal and downloaded program files, empties the recycle bin files and other items that are not being used for a long time. Let's do an activity using a disk cleanup. Click on Start All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, Disk Cleanup. Click on Start button and type Clean Manager in the Search Programs and Files box and then press Enter. The Disk Cleanup Drive Selection dialog box will open, asking you to select the drive. Now click the drop-down arrow and select the drive that you want to clean up. Click OK. This function will search and display the unnecessary files, and these can be safely deleted. Select the files that you want to remove and click on OK. Disk Cleanup pop-up will appear. Select Delete Files button to permanently delete the selected files.